forexmagicwave.com, making this small video, a new one to explain what is a Magic IB system and how it works. So let's get started. I'm going to show you with the current example because it will be easier to understand what is happening and what happens. So this is my weekly chart of Aussie dollar, individual currency, Aussie index, actually. Okay, it is index chart. Means let me just go and open it, a live charts as well, Aussie index charts. I have made profiles of each currency and each pair, individual currency. I mean, index means individual currency, like US dollar index, euro index, pound index, Aussie index, yen index, CAD index, individually, just to see that if the currency is getting strong or weaker. So now let me show you that this was my chart I just showed you, right? This is a weekly chart. Let me show you what is the monthly chart as well. I made these templates, all these bullets and highs and lows already marked, right? You can see. So for example, this is index profile, and this is Aussie index monthly chart. I have my analysis, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, blah, 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 blah. Maybe, TL, you can see that, rising TL broke down, price broke down below it, testing the sloping TL and then dropping. So that means it's going to drop. This is my target. Now, if this is coming down, that means index is getting weaker. Okay. So I'm going to show you from here. For example, Aussie index, this is how I follow it, right? Friday, 26th October, I said it's going to bounce and go up here. Okay. Doing that, it's going to get strong. Aussie dollar going to get strong. So that means when Aussie dollar is getting strong, wherever the Aussie dollar is on the right-hand side, for example, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they will drop. Okay, because Aussie on the right-hand side, and wherever the Aussie dollar is on the left-hand side, for example, Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, Aussie Franc, Aussie Nosy, right? They will go up. Okay. My favorite pairs, which I mostly trade in Aussie, is like Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. They move big, precise, and I love them, and I trade them, right? So it went up here, and what happened to this chart? Well, I was going, and I was shorting Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. I'm not gonna get into that, but I'm just gonna show you here. Look, from here we went there. I was right, and I was taking my shorts in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Once we got there, I made this chart on December 2nd that we're gonna drop, right? And I sent that to my subscriber, telling them that okay, Aussie gonna drop, and Aussie gonna get weaker, and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will be going up. So look for long. This is what I tell them and explain them, show them the chart and explain everything and do analysis in front of them on Wednesday, 4:00 p.m. and Sunday, twice a week. I do webinar and go over the market, the whole market, and explain them, my subscriber, about the setup and everything. So here, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie is supposed to go up when this thing is dropping. So did I take any trade? From now on, I'm going to show you my trades. So this is after December 2nd, I was watching and I decided to trade Pound Aussie. So this was my first trade. It dropped here, and then when Aussie dollar started dropping, this thing started going up, and I took this entry for 140 pip on December 5th. The next day, this was the trade. And then it dipped a little bit, another entry from here to there, 230 pip on December 6th. Okay, when it was start dropping. This is what happened. Now, so far so good. Okay, and after that, when it dropped, basically I also use this is 40-minute chart, 20-minute chart to make an entry. I also make directional chart, 33-minute chart, where I make my harmonic patterns and Elliott wave analysis and everything, just to see that which is intraday move, to find out intraday moves. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C correction, it should be. So this was the weekly drop. We saw the weekly chart. I said, okay, we're gonna bounce from this line here, 45.89. You see my yellow mark here? From here to there, touching this line means I was expecting that it will come down and bounce from here. Doing so, Aussie dollar gonna get strong, and EA and GA will go down, right? So what happened? Did I take any short in those pairs after that from my 20-minute chart? Let's go take a look. See this pound Aussie? And by the way, that was the chart that I made when 7. So we're looking for like maybe 8, 9, 10, any short from there in those days. So look, on the 10th, it started turning and 190 pip from there to there. And I had 2 entries here. Okay, this is how it is. Not only pound Aussie, but Euro Aussie as well, which are the trades. This is on the 11th. This one starts to go down. And here's the first entry, 110 pip. And this was an entry too. And I took it from the other account, which I'll show you here. On the same day, this entry came and it was taken from the other account right here and another 70 pip. Okay, so this is the whole system at work. What is the system now? You understand? It is not only that, when the candle changes color and then you just buy and sell. No. Okay. What it is that the weekly chart, the monthly chart, for example, week, if you want to trade, for example, Euro USD, so you will be watching USD index and Euro index first, weekly charts, which I provide you the setup and everything that what is the Euro is going to do, where it is going, USD where it is going, and then Euro USD where it is going. In my webinar, I'll give you the chart and I'll give you the indicator to create these candles here, these kind of chart, Renko charts, right? Not only that, but the templates as well. Okay, so you can have the whole thing on your computer. So what you do is that you open the 30-minute chart, 33-minute chart or 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart, and then you take these levels from weekly chart and apply on your 40-minute chart like this. Okay, so you know what's happening. So when this thing start bouncing, I just showed you that I was expecting it, and I said that if it start bouncing, EA and GA will go down, and I had brilliant and very big trades to the downside, right? So this is the whole game is weekly charts of the pair and the indexes, both currencies involved. Then you on the pairs, you will open 40-minute and 20-minute chart and draw these white lines and then these highs and lows there, and then watch. Look how precise it is, coming from here all the way to this number 45.39, bouncing, going against again, touching 47.26, start dropping again. Here bouncing exactly from that number 42.94. You know what I'm saying? So, here bouncing exactly from the number, here coming off exactly from the number, here's coming off exactly below the number, here's coming off, this again, 45.10. So these numbers are the key in the market, these weekly highs and lows. And in my webinar, I teach you, not only I give you everything, all the indicators and templates required to open these charts, but I also give you an alarm which beep when the setup is ready. For example, here, I would say, just to show you this chart is, okay, let me show you this chart. See, this one, the alarm will beep here to go long when the indicator is all the way down and then turning back up. It will beep here, it will beep here, it will beep here, it will not beep here, but it will beep here, it will beep here, it will beep here. So you don't have to stick to the computer all the time. You just have to keep the alarm on. You do this little bit of homework, and you choose the pair, whichever you like. I like Euro Aussie, pound yen, big movers, pound USD, and so you whatever you like, you open those charts, you set up these charts, and put the alarm on, and whatever the chart I give you for my analysis over the weekend or Wednesday evening, You print those charts out, you post it on the wall in front of the computer, right above the computer, so you can remember them, and just wait for these setups to show up and take the setup. That's all there is. Okay, so this is, I hope I clear everything. The system do not print these yellow signs, and then there's this arrow and buy and sell signals. No, this is me doing manually just to show the entries. Okay, but yeah, this indicator and there's the moving averages and the candles, yeah, they are there, and you will see every single entry when that happen. You will find out. Like I said, the beeper will beep, and you can just come and take the trade. Okay. So this is it for now. I hope I clear everything. And even if still you have any question, then just email me, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com, and I will clarify everything. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.